If you're a fresh initiate into the cult of Android, coming from the cult of the iPhone, one of the first few things that you'd like to do before casting your iPhone into the fiery flames is to transfer your data, especially your contacts, to your new phone. It is very easy to do. Transferring contacts, I mean. Hello, I'm Mark. Welcome to Android Authority. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your iPhone contacts to your Android phone. There are several ways, and they are very easy. The most obvious and simplest way is through the iPhone Contacts app. Just open a contact page, scroll down, tap on Share Contact, and choose whether to send the contact info by email or messaging. This method works quite well, but what if we have hundreds or maybe thousands of contacts to transfer to Android? You'll need a more robust method. There are actually several. Let's start off with Apple's own device and media manager software, iTunes. Obviously, you'll need iTunes for this, so make sure that your computer has the latest installed. You'll also need a Google account, and the computer you're using must be connected to the internet. First, connect your iPhone to the computer using Apple's proprietary USB cable. On the iTunes window, you should see your connected phone. Click on it to view the device summary page. Click the Info tab at the top. Look for Sync Contacts With and place a checkmark beside it. Choose Google Contacts from the drop-down menu. If this is your first time to specify a Google account, you will be asked to provide your Google ID and password. Or, if you've already set a Google account before and you want to configure it, click this button. Once everything is set, click Apply. iTunes will now sync your iPhone contacts to your Google account. The nice thing about this method is that each time you plug in your iPhone to your computer, iTunes will automatically sync and update your contacts to your Google account. Let's now check whether my contacts have been stored in my Google account. Yep, they're all here. The final step is to sync my Google account contacts with my Android phone. To do that, I only need to set up and log in to my Google account on my Android phone, and after a little while, all my contacts will be synced. Another method for transferring contacts from iPhone to Android requires Apple's iCloud service. This one's an entirely web-based operation. No need for USB cables, but you'll need a computer for this one. First, launch your web browser on your computer and log into your iCloud account. Click on Contacts to view a list of your contacts. Next, select the contacts that you wish to export. You can select just one contact, several contacts, or all contacts at once. Then, open the Settings menu and select Export vCard. Your computer will download a VCF file. Save it to a convenient location. This file holds a copy of all your contacts. You can then import the VCF file into your Google Contacts using a browser. Or, you can copy the file to your phone's internal storage and thereafter import the file to your phone's People or Contacts app. You can also transfer your iPhone contacts to Android with the help of apps, such as the My Contacts Backup app. It is available in the App Store. Just launch the app on your iPhone. Tap the backup button to make a VCF backup of your contacts. Now, you'll need a way to send this VCF file to your Android phone. For that, just tap Email to attach the VCF file to an email message. Then send it to your Gmail address. On your Android phone, download the email with the attached VCF file. Download the file and import its contents to your phone. Very easy, huh? Another interesting app to use is Bump. It lets you share contacts and files by simply bumping two devices together. The app must be installed on both phones. You also need an active internet connection. Launch Bump on both phones. Grant permissions when prompted. On the sender device, the iPhone in this case, swipe to the right until you reach the Contacts section. Mark those contacts that you want to share. Afterwards, bump the two phones together, like this. On the pop-up dialog that appears on both phone screens, tap Connect to let the two devices communicate. And there! My iPhone contacts have been sent over to my Android. Although the iPhone and Android seem to be worlds apart, they're not separated from each other by an impermeable membrane. As I've just demonstrated, it's possible to swap or share data such as contacts between the two platforms. I just showed you how to transfer contacts from your iPhone to your Android phone. I hope you find this video helpful. For more Android guides, news, and reviews, visit AndroidAuthority.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Mark. Thank you for watching, and remember, the power of Android is yours.